and welcome to Skillweb. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to add shapes in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. At first, open your document in Google Docs. Now you have to go to Insert at the top menu. From here, select Drawing, then click on New. A drawing window will open. Now click on the shape icon in the toolbar. Select the shape you want to add, like a rectangle or circle or triangle. Now draw the shape by clicking and dragging in the drawing window. Once you are happy with the shape, click Save and Close. Now the shape will be added to your document. So that's it. Now you know how to add shapes in Google Docs. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.